With so many people in need after Hurricane Irma, Healthcare Network of Southwest Florida is helping thousands with patients with affordable, quality health care using multiple mobile units. This is in addition to their 21 physical locations throughout Southwest Florida. For Your Corner's Kathryn Marsh explains how these units are helping the people of Immokalee.
A crowd began forming around this trailer, people on a desperate search for water and supplies.
It's been so hard right now, but hey, we are survivors.
But one story stands out. This is Maria Hernandez. She suffers from a chronic lung disease called COPD.
I've been sick, but hey, I'm here.
And feels more fortunate she found this place, one of 21 locations in Southwest Florida offering affordable and transportable healthcare treatments.
You know, they have mobile units that have been coming out.
I already did. I went over there and they gave me my medication, and I already got all my medication together.
Karen Smith with the Healthcare Network of Southwest Florida says even without insurance, they can still give you affordable, quality health care.
We have the adult care, pediatrics, pharmacy, x-ray, and very needed is behavioral health.
Just days after the storm, Karen says their mobile units went out and helped hundreds of patients a day.
We were able to give them the medication that they needed right away without having to wait.
And even if you reach out to them for help, she says they're ready to roll.
We're not here to judge anybody of why they're in the position they're in. We are here to help them, whether it's their financial issues, their health issues.
So people like Maria can get the help they deserve.
I mean, God bring all these people to help people down here. It's a lot of blessing.
And Smith also says even after hours, the Healthcare Network of Southwest Florida can help. If you reach out, we'll have more information on how to do that on our website, fox4now.com.